Alright, it's Roger with igadgetgeek, and I have another video review of the hard drive for my computer. This particular one I got at Tiger Direct. I'll have a link in the description. It is a 500 gigabyte, 7200 RPM Barracuda drive. It is the serial ATA, so you can see here. So let's go ahead and take it open and look inside. Okay, I've got it out of the package. Boy, that plastic packaging is kind of tough to get it out of. You kind of almost have to destroy the packaging. But as you can see here, it comes wrapped in a static safe bag. Let's go ahead and pop this out and take a look at it. Go ahead and get that bag out of the way. It's pretty straightforward hard drive, as you can see here. And of course, there's your connections. Pretty straightforward. My next video will be me installing it into my case for my PC. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and install the hard drive now into the case. As you can see here, this case has got 3 internal hard drive bays, 1, 2, and 3. It's going to be a pretty straightforward design. It is a toolless as well. So you want to take your hard drive and you'll take the brackets that came with the case and you want to install these onto the hard drive, one on each side. Now once you've done that and you've decided which location you want to use, it's pretty straightforward. You just slide this right into place and you'll hear a click. Once you've heard that click, it's locked into place. There again, you're going to want to run your power from your power supply and your SATA cable to your motherboard. Now my particular motherboard has got 6 slots for SATA. I'm going to be using one for my DVD drive, one for this hard drive, and I'm planning to install 1 or 2 more 1 terabyte hard drives. So when I do that, I will post those videos up as well.